Welcome to the installation guide for Wyze Solar Cam Pan. For the best field of view and detection range, we recommend installing the camera outdoors 7 to 10 feet high and tilted downwards at an angle of 30 degrees. Ensure the solar panel is installed in a location with sufficient direct sunlight. Avoid installing the solar panel under an eave or under tree branches or in any area with limited sun exposure, as this may affect charging efficiency. When the solar panel and the camera are installed separately, ensure the camera is no more than 10 feet away from the solar panel. Here's everything in the Wyze Solar Cam Pan box, including everything needed for proper installation. There are 2 different ways to mount the solar panel. The first is to mount the solar panel on the camera. Wyze Solar Cam Pan includes 2 types of screws: short pan head machine screws and long flathead wood screws. Before installing Wyze Solar Cam Pan, make sure you are using the correct screws. Use the short pan head machine screws to attach the solar panel bracket to the top of the camera. These will thread into the brass inserts easily without the need of a power tool. Use the long flathead wood screws only when mounting the solar panel bracket to a wall or other surface. Do not use the long flathead wood screws to attach the solar panel bracket to the camera. Using the long screws in this location may penetrate the closed bottom brass inserts and damage the internal lithium-ion battery, creating a risk of fire, serious injury, or property damage. If you hear any squeaking or unnatural noises, or if the screw is very difficult to turn, stop and make sure you are using the correct short pan head screws to attach the solar panel to the camera. Then tighten the ball knob on the bracket and attach the solar panel to the bracket. Next, wrap the excess cable around the cable organizer on the back of the solar panel. Next, plug the solar panel cable into the charging port located on the back of the camera. For concrete, brick, or similar materials, use the bracket to mark the spots. Then drill holes with a 1/4-inch drill bit, then insert the wall anchors. Secure the bracket onto the wall and attach your camera by sliding it onto the bracket until it clicks. Adjust the angle of the solar panel to ensure it receives direct sunlight. Option 2 involves installing the camera and solar panel separately. First, screw the mounting bracket onto the wall and mount your camera by sliding it onto the bracket until it clicks. Next, install the solar panel mounting bracket onto the wall and tighten the ball knob. Then attach the solar panel onto the bracket and adjust the angle of the solar panel to ensure it receives direct sunlight. And finally, plug the solar panel cable into the charging port located on the back of the camera. Next, wrap the excess cable around the cable organizer on the back of the solar panel. You can now enjoy your Wyze Solar Cam Pan with maintenance-free solar charging.